YouTube, back with Michael Les, back in the garage. So today, no car shows today for me, guys. Actually, I came home late from work, so I couldn't actually make it out to do any shows today. So I decided, you know what? Since it's a late evening, I'm gonna start to work on Renzel. So I'm gonna show you what's done and what process I'm gonna do today, and hopefully this week looks actually garbage. Weatherman trying to affect the car season again. So it says rain tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but who knows if that's really true. Say what's up to the Toyota Solara on deck. And we got Renzel, and we got all the cars over here in the corner. So, all right, so just go kind of get into this video, show you the affected area of Renzel. I'm gonna try to do it without moving the charger, actually. So now it's motion on deck. Yes. So this is the affected area right here, which we're gonna work on. Oh man, which we're gonna work on today. Actually, I did something very stupid, people. I forgot the fiberglass mesh in the house, so I'm gonna have to go back and get the mesh, because the mesh is the most important thing I have to put on the car. I forgot it, so I'll be right back when I go get the mesh. All right, guys, back like I never left. But other than that, real quick, garage is hot like the desert. So I was just looking at it. So what I'm gonna do, from just looking at stuff on the internet, like I said, this is my first time doing this. So basically, I have a Eastwood rust coating on it. So basically, I'm just gonna actually just kind of like sand it down, and then I already have the mesh right here, which this was what it was. It was the Bondo Fiberglass cloth, actually. So I already have some cut up right there. I have the resin on deck, which the resin comes with a hardener, right? Which you gotta put like a drop in it when you kind of mix it. I got a container, right? As I said, I'm just using a little bit, so I was like, I don't even know like to say. Let me see what this looks like. Well, that looked like it was used. It just opened up mad easy too. So this is the resin, which I can't really see. So I'm just gonna put a little bit with the hardener, like recommended, like I read on the instructions, and mix it up. And then I bought some disposable brushes, which I thought I opened one already, which I guess I really didn't. So this is gonna be my brush I'm gonna use, and we see how that goes. As I said, I cut up a bunch of pieces to stuff it, whatever, and I'm gonna use this to help me stuff it as I do it. And I just got to do a little sanding right now, which I'm gonna do right now, just to sand it down. And since Nas motion is basically holding the thing, I'm just this is 80 grit. Oh, back up. You don't gotta be that close. Back up to do it. Just gonna get it back down to metal again, people. So quick. Lights and so the resin could kind of stick on the affected part. Just really sand it in. a look. A little bit more than I say so. Alright, so I am going to, I don't have a, what you call it, a air machine. I dust it off. I'm gonna hit it with I got a microfiber cloth. Sorry. I have a microfiber cloth, right? With some rubbing alcohol real quick. I'm just gonna apply it basically on this microfiber cloth and just let's do a quick wipe on the area, alright, just to get out any contaminants. Just gonna flip it over real quick. Alright, let that air dry real quick. And now I'm just gonna mix up this resin that I never used before, people. Right, so let's see how this resin is gonna work. Alright, so let's see how this is gonna work here. See if this light. It's just like all on my face, people. No. I'm gonna put this light. You wanna hold this light with one hand 1 second? It's over here. Alright, so not in my face. Put it down. Yeah. I don't know how you angling the camera good? Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit of resin like in here. So let me see how this. I think that should be enough resin because the area is not even a big area. Right, so that's enough resin. Tighten that back up. Now I'm gonna open this. I think the resin is a little sticky. I don't know how I got my hand just now, but whoa, I think that thing is crazy. Hold on, that thing was strong. That thing just popped a hole in my glove. Gotta be careful. Alright, so open the cap of the resin, and then I need something to pop this open with. Let's see if I could use this fork. Make a nope, the fork is not good enough. Let me have a screw or something over here. Do I have a screw? Yeah. Take this screw, people, and see if I can this thing just killed my my glove. How do they make that? How do they do that? They said this thing tight. I need something to punch a hole in this. Alright guys, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in 1 second. Let me see if I could get something to basically open this up. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Had to make a piece out, so I'm trying to see if I could find a spot, which I'm surprised. Alright, I think I got a spot right here for this dumb light. right here, make it work. It's a little hot in here, people. So, all right. So, heat like a drop of this right here, and then I'm just gonna mix it up. I made a whole. All right. So that was a drop, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that's it. Make sure I have enough. And I had a fork, and I'm gonna use the head of the fork just to mix this up real quick. And it's supposed to change color. This thing is sticky and it smells. So I'm gonna make sure I whip it up real good. Thinking of that little piece I dropped maybe was enough, but I just, you know, whatever. So I think we in a good spot, right? I think I kind of mixed it up, you know. And you know, they were saying like you could have never put too much and never put too little, but like, what the hell is the exact correct amount? It's kind of like, you know, will I ever know? All right, so I think this is mixed up cool, people. So basically, get this out my way right here. Put this on the side, and I got my brush, right? And now I am going to put this here, get my light, and now I'm gonna start to make sure I have my this right, and I'm just gonna take one of this just to put it on the ground, and that I'm just hot, people, so bear with me. So the way this is gonna work, Nas Motion needs your help with the light. So Nas Motion is gonna hold the light for me. So kind of shine it over here, Nas, in the affected area. Shine it good so I can see. Shine it like this right here. Hold it right there like that. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically put some of this this resin basically in this areas here, right? It's like a tacky material, so it just kind of stick because I have to build this thing back up here, right? So this, put some in the bottom here, and hopefully I'm doing it correctly from, as I said, I looked at a video, so I'm gonna take it from there, from the video. So now hold on, this got this thing is, since it's kind of like sticky, I think this is gonna help me. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna fold this and I'm gonna apply some in the back. See, it's actually starting to drop. So I'm gonna apply some of this in the back here because I need to kind of build this up again, I guess. And this is kind of not working the way. All right, so it's kind of stuff it and push it a little bit in the affected area, which is here, right? As I said, this is kind of weird, people. Right, and I'm gonna take another piece. All right. I'm gonna put it underneath, right? Maybe have to put some more. Maybe have to put some more of this here. Maybe I put enough. Some. Whoa, it's like it's getting on the tire. Apply some here. I know it look messy, people. As I said, this is, you know, my first time actually doing this, so, you know, I'm trying to see the best way to do this, right? And this is kind of like not sticking. All right, so let's stick a little bit here, right? And let me apply some more of the resin. Here, so I could get some of this fabric underneath here where I need it to go. So let's try this part. Let's get a nice piece like this. It's a sticky, nasty situation, osmosis. So let's get some here. All right. I'll get some underneath and the bottom. So the bottom is the most important part, people. Actually, this here is the most important part of this job right now. It's underneath here. And it's like, this thing is all over the place. All right, guys, hold on. We're going to be right back with you. I need my motion to hold the light a little bit more. Guys, this is my mess right here. This thing is very tacky and sticky, so it's like it's a real messy situation. So what I'm gonna do now, after I was fighting with this, I'm just gonna actually just lightly put some tape over it just for it to do what the hell it's gonna do. That's it. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. I can't do nothing else, nothing more until it dry. Let it do what it's gonna do. Very nasty, messy thing that I had to deal with just now. So I'm just covering it. This right here is that resin, and I can't wait to see how hard this thing gets, because I'm hearing it's supposed to get real hard. And so I'm working, guys. I'm trying. So I said it's hot, super hot, like Arizona in here. So I did a little covering in the bottom. So I'm just gonna it's just, as I said, just everything is just all over the place right now. So this is where I'm at. Resin, that's garbage. And this cloth right here, hopefully this will be used on the front bumper, which I'm gonna show y'all, because I am gonna do the front bumper. I told y'all that. So once I kind of finesse that side, the front bumper should be easy. I'm actually gonna repair this, sand half of it down and do what I'll do. But I have much more cloth. Basically, that's why I bought the large. And all right, we're gonna let this dry for 24 hours. We're gonna pull it out, and then I gotta sand it down, and then I'll be able to put the fiberglass Bondo and take it from there, people. All right, so this was just a real short video. As I said, no car show for me today. I had to actually start to address this issue, which I'll show you how I started. So this is what it is. So if you're new to the channel, look at the back end videos. Smith Favorite Mall came out. I did Lake Grove. I did Belmore. Today is actually, what's today? Today is Wednesday. Today, I did no car show today, as I told y'all, because I came home late from work. And I said, you know what, I came home late. Let me jump on Renzel for the tow, which I feel good that I got this part done. As I can see, I got a body shop back here. You know what I mean? And all right, guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You already know. Like for Michael, let's catch you on the next one. Peace.